So you can have two types of conversion. This one uses a single 18650 because the 18650 lithium ion is bigger, so I have to make an extension for it. This is slightly brighter than this one. This one here is 3 AAA nickel metal hydride battery. I think this is a pretty fun project that anyone can do. So to make the Harbor Freight light rechargeable, you first of all take the back off, the 3 screws, and then you see 3 AAA batteries. And what I'll be doing is I'll be replacing these with nickel metal hydride batteries. So you first have to determine the negative and the positive. This is the negative, and over here would be the positive. So just double check with a multimeter, and you see it's 4.38 volt. So in making the conversion, you need a charging board like this. This is like maybe $1 a piece, and I got the ones with the micro USB. And basically what you're doing is you are connecting the positive of the battery over here to this output here and the negative here. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And then you put the charging board on the light like this. I'm going to test it out first and see if everything is okay. If it works well, then I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue here and secure it. I'm going to use some tapping wire. This is like a welding nickel strip for welding lithium ion batteries. All you have to do, you have to cut off a strip here and you slip it behind the charging terminal here. This is just enough space for you to put it in there like that. So you just insert your nickel strip here at the positive and the negative terminals. I just cut off a little piece so I can solder the wires to it. So plug this into your USB connection and see if it charges. Red means it's charging. The 3 batteries are now at about 3.9 something volt, and it will charge to a total of 4.1 volt before this finish charging. So the light on the charging board turned green. That means it's fully charged now. So the voltage for the 3 batteries in series is 4.03, or about 1.34 volt for each of the battery. That should be sufficient to light up the LED. So what I have to do now is put a dab of hot glue here and secure the charging chip here, and I would have to put the cover back on. Now the cover has a little handle like this. I already removed it, and for this to work you have to make a bit of cutout here so that you can close the back cover. Use a soldering gun to melt the plastic. That's all you have to do. It's not going to be perfect, but we don't need perfect to make it work. will fit. Doesn't look pretty, but it does the job. And after I screw it down, the 3 screws here, I'm just gonna fill in the void here and here with a bit of hot. So I fill the void with a little bit of hot glue left and right. Be careful not to put too much hot glue on the connector itself, or you might not be able to charge the batteries if the terminal is plugged. And the best thing is these lights a couple of dollars, and sometimes you can even get them for free when you go into the store with a coupon.